working every day. I'm stressed out 20.
Okay, we have this nice empty closet as my canvas that I'm going to be slowly working on. As of right now, you can see all the brackets up on the wall from the top to the bottom. Now you can see there's two different kinds of brackets. The white brackets are the extra brackets that I had to put the other two shelves up because the other two didn't come with a bracket on the inside of it. So we're going to actually work with what we have to put this closet together. This is where we at with it right now. Different brackets in this closet right now. So what we're going to do is, since we have the brackets already on the wall, we're just going to go ahead and slab the shelves onto the wall. That's going to make up the shoe rack. It's actually easy to put these shelves on. They come with 6 screws a piece. And you can purchase some extra screws to go in just to secure it to the wall. A fun fact about these shelves that I got, they were actually purchased, like I said, at IKEA, but I went on to Facebook Marketplace and I was looking for an actual open wardrobe closet to purchase, and I came across these shelves. I got all of those for $50. So let's see how this is actually going to come out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. 5 shelves go that way, and then I have some smaller shelves. We have the different brackets in this closet right now. So what we're going to do is, since we have the brackets already on the wall at each place that they need to be, we're just going to go ahead and slab the shelves onto the wall. That's going to make up the shoe rack for all my shoes to go on. So let's get to putting the shelves on. All the shelves are up, all the way down to the bottom. Now it's time to decorate the closet. This is my overview of the closet as of right now. I'm so proud of me. Ooh, look at those shit.
My heart is at war with my thoughts. Oh, and I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the dots. Oh, to let you in behind my shelter. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? Either come close or stay away. Oh, these words are echoing inside of me. astray. Well, give me clarity so I can see. You could fit into my life when it's daylight in this night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
Where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
Where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
Where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade?
Okay, this is the finished project. Mirror on the wall, small shelf with a little bit of smell good, some jewelry, my Yorkies clothes right there. This closet was put together definitely on a budget. All of the colored hangers came from Home Goods. Everything is nice and organized. Rug came from Five and Below. All shelves was purchased off of Facebook Marketplace for $50. Mirror, Big Lots, $10. Stool with cover from Five and Below, stool from Walmart. Mirror was gifted to me. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of my closet makeover. And if you haven't seen my bedroom makeover video, I will link it down below for you to check that out as well. To all my divas, talk to you in my next video. Bye bye, my divas. Bye bye.
My heart is a war with my thoughts. Oh, and I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the dots.